tell the court how many years you have practiced pathology as a doctor.
My lady, from the year 2000 and, April 2009 to date, 17 years. 17 years.
17 years post-admission as a doctor. And you are conversant with pathology as an authority before this court.
Yes, my lady.
Confirm whether you are an expert on ballistics, so that I don't go to the line of guns.
I'm not an expert, my lady.
You are not an expert. Therefore, it's not true when you give that line of evidence about the guns and the bullets that were used. We agree on that. What I'm saying, you cannot say this is a bullet shot of a G3, this one is an AK-47, this one is a Jericho pistol. Do you have that capacity?
My lady, as concerns the identifying the guns, no. But wounds caused by the guns I am able to give an opinion on the wounds caused by the guns.
I'm still asking this question. Are you able to identify a wound of a Jericho pistol from an AK-47, from a G3? Are you able to say this is for this gun?
My lady, the only level of expertise is the wounds of a low velocity pistol and a rifle and a shotgun. At that level.
Those are the competencies that you have.
Yes, my lady.
So you can tell the wound
I can tell the wound.
Gunshots.
Yes.
In this matter, which caliber of gun bullets were used based on the admission that you have that capacity?
It was high velocity, high caliber, my lady.
High
Caliber.
High caliber. High caliber is emitted by which types of guns?
Rifles, my lady.
Rifles. Name them.
My lady, the examples are the what you just mentioned, AK-47.
No, you name them for record. Because you are going to a territory of ballistics, name those rifles.
My lady, my testimony was that generally it's rifles, but I'll give him examples. AK-47, G3, and others.
Have you ever dealt any training with live guns? Have you ever been taught? Have you ever, in the University of Nairobi, true? You went to universities that are academic.
Yes, my lady, but the ballistics, the little ballistic exposure was at the ballistics unit.
For how long?
Not at the university.
For how long did you go to the ballistics unit for training?
It was for a day, my lady.
For one day. And you are telling this court that you are competent, that in one day you trained about ballistics and you understood the art of guns. That's your evidence. I'm not doubting your medical qualification. I'm doubting whether you can stand before this court and tell this court that you are an expert on ballistics.
My lady, it's not my evidence that I'm an expert in ballistics.
Let us move away. That's why I said, let us move away. Let us deal with your profession. Do we agree on that? The gun experts will come. The police officers, poor experts on guns will come to testify. Do we agree on that line?
That's correct, my lady.
Thank you, that time. Let us proceed on a territory that you know. At the point you are referred to this postmortem, what document were you given to start the postmortem? How did you get the first contact for you to do this postmortem?
My lady, it is the postmortem form.
Have it. That's what you are given. It had been filled before it came to you.
That is correct, my lady.
What information was given in the postmortem form before you started this work? What information was filled there?
First is the origin, the police station that
Yes.
that are referring the case to the pathologist.
Yes.
This was DCI Kayole.
Yes.
Then the name of the deceased,
Yes.
the police officer bringing the postmortem form,
Yes.
the witnesses,
Yes.
or the persons known to the deceased who are to identify the body to me,
Yes.
where the body was found,
Yes.
and the date.
Yes.
And then a brief summary of the circumstances of death, my lady.
That's where I'm concerned. Two things. Read from the P3 form. Where was the body found? From them.
Kayole, my lady.
It is, they have not given any other place. Read kindly, don't memorize. Just read. That's not your information. That is information filled by other people. Where have they said the body was found?
Kayole.
Kayole. They have not indicated any specific place from the P3.
Kayole is a specific place, my lady.
No, I'm only telling you to read Daktari. I've not told you to tell me from your head. Read where the body was found. Just as simple that.
My lady, Kayole is a place. It's a place called Kayole.
No, it's not you who feel. Daktari, why are we battling?
It's Kayole.
Simple, that is true. Read the circumstances the police wrote in the P3 there. What were the circumstances?
The deceased, who was aged 29 years,
Yes.
was shot dead by police
Yes.
within Kayole area.
That's all?
That is all, my lady.
Okay, I want now to bring you to the circumstances of that 29-year-old person, so that when we talk to the court, you understand the circumstances of the person. Are we together?
That's correct, my lady.
Because this was not brought to you. Were you told that this person had several court cases before he was killed? This was not brought to you.
No, my lady.
Were you told that this person had been in police custody and prison custody for over 3 years?
No, my lady.
Were you told that every time this person was coming to court, he was coming to court handcuffed for the 3 years?
No, my lady.
This was not information given to you.
That's correct, my lady.
Were you also told that this person was at last released on bond and got the freedom of his liberty? Were you aware of this information?
No, my lady.
Were you told that after he was released, a robbery on an M-Pesa shop was occasioned in Kayole? Was this information available to you?
No, my lady.
Thank you. Were you lastly brought to your attention that this person, those officers were called after the members of the public had arrested this person? Was this information given to you?
No, my lady.
Were you told that a Bonoko gun, what is called, I don't know how they call it, these traditional made guns, was found and it was taken for ballistic examination?
No, my lady.
It was never told to you.
Counsel, expound on what you just said. If I
Okay.
stop writing, it means I didn't understand.
Okay. Were you told that at the point this person was found dead, an illegal traditional gun was found in his possession?
No, my lady.
And you are never told that that gun was tested and found it could fire?
Yes, that was not part of the brief.
Now, let us now go to your postmortem, because this information, do you think it was very critical for you to be given this information?
No, my lady, that information doesn't alter the examination.
No, I've not come to your examination. Is it critical for you to be given the circumstances of the body? Is it important? Say a yes or no. I've asked you this question. Is it important that such information is supposed to be inserted in the B3 form? It's not you who feels it.
My lady, I think that's a long story that cannot fit into as a summary to the pathologist before postmortem.
Look at this P3 form. It is a P3 form generated by which government agency?
My lady, for clarity, this is not a P3 form.
It is called a form 4.
It is a police form. It's called Police 23A.
It comes from who?
The police.
It is for the police. And you confirm it is a gazetted document.
That's correct.
And that gazetted document in paragraph, and you confirm there is no paragraph here that is there for aesthetics. All the paragraphs here are necessary.
That's correct.
And one of it is the circumstances of the death, which is a requirement. True?
Yes.
So,
yes, my lady.
Thank you. So the pathologist cannot challenge this form because it's a police form. And you cannot assess its value as a government pathologist. This is a police form.
That's correct, my lady.
Thank you. Now let's proceed. Now let me ask you the questions on the body that you did. When you got this body, you started the postmortem. What was the general condition of the body?
My lady, the body was fresh and refrigerated.
The body was?
It was still fresh.
Fresh?
Because of refrigeration.
And refrigeration. From the time the body died, do you have the exact time when the body died?
Yes, my lady, it was on the 24th March.
Time?
2020.
Time?
The time was not indicated.
The time was not indicated. Is it supposed to be indicated?
When indicated, yes, but sometimes it's not indicated.
Is it supposed to be indicated by law?
My lady, from experience and practice, sometimes they feel, sometimes they don't.
I've not asked by practice. This is a court of record. Is it a requirement that must be indicated? Let us not vary. Let us not vary because people have been doing things wrongly. Is it supposed to be indicated? Time of death.
My lady, in practice, it is not mandatory to indicate.
I've not asked practice. Is it required by procedure or whichever law the time of death be indicated? Is it a yes or no?
No, my lady.
Thank you. Have you ever been a doctor of a living person? Have you ever practiced medicine on human beings that are alive?
Yes, my lady.
When they die, is it indicated time of death?
Yes, yes, in the medical record, my lady.
In the medical records. Let's proceed. So, you did the postmortem on which day?
On the 2nd April
After,
2020.
because you don't know when this person died. Roughly, from expectation. How many days after he died?
9 days, my lady.
9 days. Thank you. The body you did on a postmortem, did you undress the body?
Yes, my lady.
Did it have any other injury other than the gunshots?
Yes, my lady.
Explain the injuries. 2, you leave these ones for the hearts and any other injuries in the body.
My lady, I noted, I testified earlier that there was a bruise on the right side of forehead.
Kindly touch the forehead. Martina doesn't know. Show us where?
On the right side.
On the right hand side. Yes. The next one?
So the next ones were the ones on the wrist.
So other than this one, the only injury was on the forehead.
Yes.
The whole body, there was no injuries.
There were no other injuries, my lady.
How did you attribute the injury on the forehead?
My lady, it is, of course it was difficult to try and figure out, but sometimes it's due to a fall, due to a fall. But it can also be part of the circumstances, of course, of which falling is part of it. Yes. So probably it was due to fall.
This man died out of bullet wounds.
Yes.
Is that your finding?
Yes, my lady.
Confirm from the body, is there a bullet wound that entered from the back to the front?
No, my lady.
Where did the bullet wounds come from? Where did the gunshots enter from?
From the right side of the body, my lady.
From the front.
From the right side. From
Where?
the right side of the body. Yes.
You understand why now I was looking for the photos?
Yes.
You understand how they are very critical. So you are telling the court the bullets entered from this side. I want the court to see
Yes, yes, my lady.
this side, not this side.
Not the front, not the back.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying the photos are very, very critical for us. If the gunshots are coming from this side, where is the shooter likely to be?
On the right side.
This is where the man has been shot from.
Will be on the right side of the
So the shooter must be directly on this side where this person is.
Yes, my lady.
So when these bullets entered from this side, where did they exit? You found the exit strategy. Where did they entered from here? Where did they exit?
Some of them exited on the left anterior chest. The
On
left,
this side?
left front of the chest. Some of them on the left side of the neck. And one exited on the lumbar area, the lower back.
Repeat that again, please.
Repeat that for the
That
court.
the exit gunshot wounds were on where and where?
The left half of the chest. Some of them,
Left
yes, the left half of the chest.
half. Half of the chest.
Yeah, there are two halves. Is
Okay.
the left half,
Okay.
the right half. So the left front, one exited lower back, the lumbar region, and one exited on the left part of the neck.
Thank you. My good young advocates asked you and you said it was at a close range. True?
Yes, ma'am.
I was here last week before this court and we were taught what close range means. To you, close range is how many centimeters away from the person being shot?
It's 30 centimeters and less.
30.
30 centimeters and less.
30 centimeters or less.
Yes.
The expert who was here told us there are 3 types of close range. I was taught here last week.
That's correct, ma'am.
One is when the gun touches the body. That is close range.
Contact. That's contact.
That is contact.
Yes.
The next one is 5 centimeters.
Very close range.
That is called.
Near contact or very close range.
The last one is 10.
Hold on. So the first one is which one?
Contact.
This is where the gun touches the body.
That's correct, my lady.
The second one is 5 centimeters away from the body. How do you call that?
It's near contact
Near contact.
or very close contact. My lady.
And the last one,
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Tell the court is recording.
Near contact or very close contact. And lastly is between 5 and 30 centimeters. That is close range.
The ballistic expert told us it's 10 centimeters, not 30. He introduced himself to be the boss of ballistics, the whole country. He said 10 centimeters. Are you challenging him?
My lady, I will
It said that you challenges or
This
no?
witness was not present.
I'm
The
asking-
expert was testifying in court.
If me and you are experts in the law, why are we being experts in firearms?
It is him who...
No, you are right. Last week we were learning about firearms.
Yes.
This week we are learning about medicine. We cannot suddenly be experts.
Thank you,
Can we? Let us remain.
Let us deal with the medicine. But let's proceed with the medical questions out of it. If this person was shot from this side, according to you, that person must have been between at least 30 centimeters away.
Or less.
Or less. Kindly show the distance for the benefit of the court. 30 centimeters will be how long? This hand of mine from here to here is how many centimeters?
It's roughly 50, 60 centimeters.
It is longer than 30 centimeters.
Yes, 30 centimeters would be probably maybe almost this page, but
Thank you.
yes.
These are the people who shot, allegedly. The 6 police officers. For now. Tell me, how many gunshots did you count entered the body of the deceased?
8, my lady.
8. These are 6. Okay? Within 30 centimeters, is it humanly possible for them to aim and shoot? All of them are in the range of 30 centimeters.
My lady, that is not part of my expertise.
Thank you. You have answered it very well. We will not pursue that. But the court has noted that. Let's go to the body that you did postmortem. Was there any injury on the legs?
No, my lady.
There was no injuries on the legs. Let's go to the heart. You said the heart was done what?
It was punctured.
Good. On the heart, from your experience as a pathologist.
My lady, death occurs within 3 minutes.
Within
3 minutes.
3 minutes. I'm still coming to the injury here. Could you identify whether this man from the gunshot entries, whether he was shot standing? Timothy asked you that question, or seated.
My lady, that is difficult to determine, whether standing or lying down.
Thank you. Your evidence is that this person was shot from this side.
Yes, my lady.
confirm that this side also has an hand that hovers around this side of the body. True?
That's correct.
Is there any shot that entered through the hand or this part of the hand?
No, my lady.
None. What explanation can you give to the court? This arm is resident this side.
My lady, it's not always static. Maybe it wasn't in that position during the incident.
Could it have been raised up?
It's not fixed in that position. It could be behind, it could be up front,
Yes.
it could be raised.
But the evidence is no part of the hand was shot.
But the shoulder?
The shoulder is affixed. The shoulder. Where exactly did the bullet enter in the shoulder?
Lady, in one of my descriptions during, there was an entry wound on the front part of the right shoulder.
Where exactly? You know the photos are not telling. Where exactly in the shoulder?
The front part of the shoulder joint.
The court has seen that.
Yes, it was part of the evidence.
No, we are not disputing. We wanted to get the exact entries where these bullets exited. Did you find any bullet lodged in the body?
No, my lady.
All of them exited.
All of them exited, my lady.
During your postmortem, what tools are you supposed to carry in form of writing materials, not in terms of the scissors and others?
In terms of writing?
Yeah.
My lady, postmortem examination is a dirty exercise. Clothed, gloved, dirty, bloody.
No. Don't go that line. I've asked you.
Just a minute, it is a dirty exercise.
Yes.
Continue.
So we don't write during. We rely on. We take photos. Those photos are the ones that we analyze. Of course, we are making. Yeah, we are making. Somebody is recording, but not an expert. It's recording. Then we confirm using the photos during report writing when we decloth.
Two critical mandatory requirements. Somebody must take notes.
Rough notes.
I'm not saying they are expert notes.
Yes.
It is mandatory. There must be somebody taking notes.
My lady,
do we agree?
It's like a dictation.
No, I've asked is yes or no.
Yes.
You are dictating as you are doing your job.
Yes.
You are telling the young associate, as we have pupils here, you are telling them, indicate there, the leg is not there. True.
That's
you dictate what happens.
That's correct, my lady.
And also the photos as each tape is being done.
That's correct.
Is it the photos of the investigator or the postmortem doctors?
The person who takes photos is a crime scene investigator.
The crime scene investigator.
Yes.
And confirm both of those are not before this court.
My lady, an emissary was sent, so
No, I've only said they are not before this court.
The photos.
The photos and the notes. The notes generate this report.
That's correct.
When did you do this report?
After postmortem examination.
After the postmortem examination.
Yes, my lady.
The authenticity is evaluated by the actual notes that were taken. If Omari does a postmortem and changes these records, this report, what will be the document, the primary document? It is the notes. Is it true?
My lady, those dictation notes are not official. It's not an official document. It's just a guide when I'm clean to now write the report, the postmortem report. So it's not cannot call it a primary document.
Is there any postmortem?
It's like a rough sketch, my lady.
Is there any postmortem done without notes?
My lady, in law, even those sketch notes are not official documents.
I'm not asking about official document. I've asked a simple thing. Lastly, do you have a problem for us to get those photos? Then we can verify the questions I've asked and the nature of the body.
I have no problem, my lady.
My lady, we shall be seeking that he be stepped down until we have the photos to get exactly what was on his table and what he presented before this court.